Let's be honest for a second. Professional photo editing tools like Photoshop are getting way too expensive for the average user. Most high-end AI editors are now hidden behind annoying monthly subscriptions that eat up your budget. But what if I told you that you could access pro-level features like changing your hairstyle, upscaling images, or even turning yourself into an action figure for absolutely zero cost? Today we are diving into a hidden gem called imageeditor.online, which is a complete game changer for content creators. First, open your favorite web browser like Google Chrome or Safari on your computer. Now go ahead and type the URL https://imageeditor.online directly into the address bar and hit enter to access the workspace. You will notice immediately that there is no sign up or credit card required to start using these powerful tools. Once the site loads, the first thing you need to focus on is the model selection drop-down menu located right at the top. This is the secret sauce because unlike other generic editors, this platform gives you access to elite models like Nano Banana, Flux Schnell Pro, or Ideogram 3.0. For this tutorial, let's go ahead and click on the model selection menu and select Flux Schnell Pro to get the highest level of realism for our edits. Now that our model is set, it is time to bring in our content by clicking the upload area to select your file. You can choose any image in JPG, PNG or WEBP format as long as it is under the 16 megabyte limit. After your photo is uploaded, look closely at the settings panel and select the specific aspect ratio that fits your needs, whether it is for a square post or a cinematic wide shot. Here is where the real AI magic happens. So take a look at the feature buttons and click on hairstyle changes if you want a new look today. If you have a blurry photo, you can instead click on Image Upscaler or try the AI action figure button to turn yourself into a collectible toy. Once you have picked your tool, go to the prompt box and type exactly what you want to see, or simply click one of the handy preset options available on the screen. We are almost there. So simply navigate down and click the big generate button to let the AI start processing your unique transformation. It only takes a few seconds to see the results, and I think you will be blown away by the quality this free tool provides. If this tutorial helped you save some money today, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to PC Error Detective for more tech tips. Go try it out at imageeditor.online and I will see you in the next one.